Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, I shall discuss about the orientation and reactivity. The electrophilic aromatic substitution of benzene ring gives only one type of the product, since all 6 hydrogen atoms are equal in benzene. But in case of monosubstituted benzene is subjected to the electrophilic aromatic substitution, the 3 types of the isomer product is formed. First one is the orthoisomer, second is the meta-isomer, and third one is the para-isomers. In the presence of one type of the group, the new substituent enters mainly to the ortho position and to the para position. Therefore, the ortho and para isomers are obtained as a major product and meta isomer obtained as a minor product. However, in the presence of another type of the group, the new groups enter to the meta position to the substituent. Therefore, the meta isomer obtained in major quantity and ortho and para isomer obtained in minor quantity. Therefore, a group already present in monosubstituted benzene exert directive influence on the new coming group. This directive influence is known as orientation of substitution. On this basis, the groups may be divided into 2 categories. The first one is the ortho and para directing, and this category include the groups Nr2, NH2, OH, OR, O minus, NHR, CO minus, NHCOCH3, halogen, phenyl group, and alkyl group. These groups leads to ortho and para orientation with activation. The second category is the meta directing. This includes the groups Nr3 plus, CX3, NO2, CHO, COR, COH, COOR, SO3H, and CN. These groups leads to meta orientation with deactivation. The rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution depends on the difference between the energy of transition state and ground state. That is the energy of activation. The energy difference between the reactant and the sigma complex. Here we have the energy of sigma complex in place of transition state, because the energy of transition state can't be measured, because this transition state is the unstable state. Therefore, we take the energy of sigma complex for the calculation of delta F or energy of activation. If any effect due to the substituent lowers the value of delta F, the rate of substitution increase, or any effect due to the substituent increase the value of delta F, the rate of reaction is decreased. Therefore, in the above 2 categories, the first category, the groups are electron donating and exert plus I and plus R effect and stabilize the positively charged sigma complex. And in the second category, the groups are electron attracting and exert minus I or minus R effect and destabilize the positively charged sigma complex. If aromatic ring has group and this group has any charge, therefore this charge can influence the stability of the intermediate. If the group G has positive charge, it decreases the stability of adenine cation, because the positive charge on G increase the positive charge of the adenine cation. Therefore, the stability of adenine cation is decreased. And when the group G has negative charge, it neutral the positive charge of the rhenium cation, and therefore the stability of this rhenium cation is increased. Now, from this discussion, we concluded that the group that stabilize the intermediate rhenium ion, that it activate the ring, and the major product will be the ortho and para isomer. And if the groups that destabilize the intermediate rhenium cation, these groups deactivate the ring, and the major product will be the meta isomer. Thank you.